Toccata in F by Charles-Marie Widor. They hear an endless variety of color. They feel through the floor the rumble of the deepest bass pipes. When they hear that, they'll say, "That is Woolsey Hall at Yale." My name is Thomas Murray, and I've been very fortunate over 38 years to teach graduate organ performance majors here on this magnificent organ. The largest pipes in the organ are 32 feet high from the mouth to the top. The four keyboards of this organ each control a section of it, and the sections consist of pipes organized by what we call stops. There are a lot of people in the world who don't understand the origin of the expression pulling out all the stops. We at Yale have sought to maintain this organ in its original form without doing things that would change its style. It's what we would call an orchestral style instrument. I feel intense delight in being able to orchestrate things, to choose the colors that I feel are just right for any given section of any given piece. Another thing which I feel is the sense of being in touch with history. This organ was built in stages, and the final stage was 1929, so we are hearing the same sounds that the crowd heard when this was dedicated for the third time. The world needs to know how special it is, and Yale is very fortunate to have it.